Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to PayPal. While a direct connection isn't available, you can still move funds between them. First, you'll need to convert your cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet into a fiat currency, like US dollars. This usually involves using a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports both your crypto and fiat withdrawals. We'll guide you through the necessary steps to make this happen smoothly and securely. Once your crypto is in Trust Wallet, the next step is to move it to an exchange that allows you to sell it for fiat currency. Popular exchanges often support a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offer various fiat withdrawal options. After transferring your assets, you'll execute a sell order. Make sure the exchange you choose has a clear process for withdrawing funds directly to your bank account, which is crucial for the next step. With your cryptocurrency successfully converted to fiat on the exchange, you can now initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account. This is a standard banking transaction, so double-check all your account details, including account numbers and routing numbers, before confirming. Withdrawal processing times can vary, but most transfers are completed within 1 to 5 business days. Keep an eye on your bank statements for the incoming funds. Finally, with the fiat currency now in your bank account, you can easily transfer it to your PayPal. Ensure your bank account is already linked to your PayPal for a seamless transfer. Simply initiate a transfer from your bank to your PayPal balance, and the funds should appear shortly. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.